Schoology's conferencing application allows you to hold virtual office hours, coordinate professional collaboration, and even conduct a full online class. Watch this video to learn how to set it up. You can set up a conference in a Schoology course or group. Here, I have a course open. The first thing you'll do is scroll down in the left side navigation bar and click Conferences. The first time you do this, Schoology will prompt you to authorize the application. Click Approve. Once the conference's application is configured in the course, click Create New Conference, give your conference a name and a date, and click Add End Time. When you're ready, click Create. The conference will open in a new tab. You'll be prompted to join using your microphone or to listen only. You can also join using your phone. Using your phone is a great idea if you don't own a pair of headphones with a built-in microphone. This will prevent audio feedback and echoing. I'm going to join with microphone. You may be prompted to allow the microphone access to this feature. Click Allow. You will then be taken through an echo test to test your microphone. Follow the prompts on the screen. In the description below this video, I've linked to other video resources. These resources will show you how to moderate a conference from the instructor's view and all of the capabilities therein. They'll show you how to join a conference in Schoology, whether you are a student or a PLC member. And they'll show you how to navigate the conference from the student point of view. For now, here's a list of some of the coolest features within the Conferences application, which I've taken from the Schoology support article linked below. Teachers can record the session, and the video will stay live for 7 days for both teacher and student to review. You can create small group breakout sessions, share your screen with the class, upload documents and teach using an interactive multi-user whiteboard, chat with all students or with just one specific student. You can moderate the live discussion by muting participants and allowing them to raise their hands. You can share a YouTube video, and you can collaborate with students in shared notes. Students will additionally be able to make live notations on that shared multi-user whiteboard and collaborate in the shared notes. They can download the notes after class. Once you've ended a conference session, the conference will move from active to completed. If you recorded the session, you can play that session. If you click play, it will open the recording in a new tab. Here I am with Ms. McGillnick while we are trying out the application.
I have an option when I click on your name to start a private chat as well.
Oh, good to know. Students can watch this video as well. Let's talk best practices. First, just like anything with Schoology, you'll want to make sure that you are using the Google Chrome browser. Next, grab a pair of headphones with a built-in microphone. This will help prevent echoing and audio feedback. If you are not speaking, mute yourself. This will help prevent distracting audio in the background. Remember that as a teacher, you have the ability to mute your students as well. Finally, be aware of your background. Sitting in front of a window, for example, might make it difficult for students to see you. You might appear as just a silhouette rather than as a person with a face. Make sure that any objects in the background are also appropriate for students to see. For example, you might want to put away your glasses from last night's cocktail party, or uncover your photos from Spring Break '99. Just use your common sense judgment. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember that you can find this tutorial and more in the NCHS Staff Resources group in Schoology. Remember, we're all learning this together.